see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause
So I'm just gonna wear my sunny, so I don't get so sunny when my movie might get mine. And that's actually a rhyming decoration. They look so creepy and scary. I have this one, but it's not actually my size. So, guys, we're here in the car. Pardon me. Now going to our next destination, and now we're gonna find a spider web. Yeah! Guys, we're here at Cheaper Chips, and now we're gonna find the spider webs at Cheap at Chips. So let's go inside. Oh, some decorations. Let's go inside now.
So that's $20.55.
Sign in.
Then I'm gonna take some sanitizer.
That's all my friend.
Scrub it in.
$20.45 change. Thank you very much. That's your receipt. Thank you. See you. Hi, who are you? Need a bag for this one today?
Thanks, guys.
No bag.
Whoa,
Stock up on this super glue.
Mom, look at those clusters. Guys, look at those spiders. They're creepy. And look at that. This is very expensive. Guys, I'll show you what's in here at Cheaper Chips. We found the spider webs! Yeah! Get in here now. It's off to pay. Guys, we're still not paying because we're looking for lollies. I don't know what strain of they hear them. I don't know what are they. Wait, something's hard.
That's a popping candy.
What? How did you know? Because you saw that.
Yeah.
Ow, why is it all popping candy? Wait, why is there some big stuff in there?
That's the lollipop.
Lollipop? Okay. They are nice. Because I tried them before, they taste so good. Because this one's strawberry, this one's blueberry, oh not blueberry, that one's purple grape, and this is one's the apple.
All right.
I love them. They're so good. But we can't get it.
Why?
Because you say no.
No, I didn't say no. You didn't ask me.
Oh, can I have it?
Yeah.
Ah, twisted.
One for you.
Well, for me.
That's 3. One for you, one for Kuya.
So I'm the purple because instead Kuya's Tito likes apple and I like them. Wait, is that strawberry?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, I'm going for the strawberry, not the purple.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Mom, stop! My dad actually loves them! And they're actually healthy bickies.
I don't think so.
Yes, I have them in my party bag and Queen Teacher actually loves them.
Nah.
Huh? Oh, I love. You know why I love them?
Why?
Because you get one of them, and that feels like I'm getting in fun. Because I like that.
No, we're not here for that, Baba.
Yeah. Guys, we're finished. I got more than the spider webs, and we've got all the stuff. And let's go and pay to the thingy. Let's go.
How did you go? Did you find some things? You did find something.
Give it to her, Baba. Give the bag.
Good girl.
Thank you.
Just try again. Try my feet. Do you want to hold that one?
I'm gonna say.
Little hook there.
Thank you.
Good girl. Beautiful manners. Go, sweet pea.
Yeah.
See you later.
Guys, we're here at Coles now. We're buying some chocolate for trick or treating, so people can grab some lollies from our home, so we can trick or treat. And Quitty got a costume mode. It's just a mask, and it's fun doing trick or treating. You get some of the lolly, and that's fun because I love trick or treat. We get to do that, and we said trick or treat, and we gotta walk to someone's house. Yeah, that's gonna be so exciting. Let's go to grocery. Guys, we just need a little cut for the egg. So let's wipe it, because you don't want to get some yucky coronavirus. That's really yuck.
Cannot hear you.
Let's wash it. So clean. Okay guys, before we get chocolate, we're gonna get the fruit falls. We need orange. Let's go to the next one. Oh my god guys, there's more strawberries. Uh-oh, what do we do? Let's just go to another shop to buy some more strawberries. Guys, we're gonna get some green apples now. Let's go to the red one. Okay guys, let's get some red apples. Cake balls. A little bit, but that will be alright. Slow down. Gonna get some avocado. Check. Nope. No, broken. Everything has some of them. So
It's alright, that one.
start. Which way?
That way.
And we're gonna get some kiwi. That one's alright. It's just ultra. There you go. Which way? That one? Let's go. We're gonna get round mushroom. Whoa. Let's check. It's just those stuff, that's right. Let's go again. Which way now? We're done for free. Now I'm gonna get my list out. Forgot again. Let's do it. Can you just hold that please, Mommy? Because I gotta always get my list. Oreo next, Mum.
What?
Oreo falls.
Oreo, okay.
Yeah. That's big. Did I put mine on? Okay, let's go. it, Mommy. I'll look at this one. I want to get this one.
Let me see. All right.
What's Papa's skin and then red skin? Get this one, Mommy.
Will you still be here? What if I showed you I really hope don't walk away? What if I showed you this love could be easy? Will you still be here? Is this real? Will you still be here? Say how I feel. I know I'll wake up one day and see you gone. Will you still be here? Will you still be here? Will you still be here? No, 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 no. Will you still be here? No, 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 no. Will you still be here? No, 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 no. Will you still be
Good job. Yeah. Straight.
were gonna get our strawberries, and there was no strawberries at groceries, so we had to go here to get some strawberries here. So, yay! We're inside it now. It's a bit darker.
Okay, I'm gonna check in first, Baba.
She's gonna check in first, guys. She's got me here. There we go.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. They do have it, guys.
We have to get three.
Three?
Yeah. Put it here. Check it first, okay? Here, I think these two. How about that one? Let me see. Okay, that one is good. This one, Baba.
Yeah, good.
And another one. Not that one. That's not good. How about this one? Check it first. Check.
Yeah, I can see a little like that.
That's yucky. No, not this one.
That has a leaf, but
It's alright.
guys, Mommy's gonna get a watermelon.
Okay, this one, Baba. Oh,
Squished.
yeah. Can you get the strawberry first, please? Okay. Okay, good
Here, let
job.
me put it in.
Oh,
So
slow down, slow down, slow down. You don't drop, okay? Slow down. Good job. Okay.
I can carry it.
You sure? Alright, let's pay.
Okay, there's a watermelon.
Gustong gusto yung watermelon.
It has black seeds.
No, it's alright. This one. No, not that one, Baba. Maybe this one. That's small. That's small, Baba.
What is it?
This is bigger.
Let me see this.
Slowly, slowly, slowly. This one is bigger. Right?
Wait, now we're not wearing any plastic.
Yeah, they have plastic. Okay, this one.
Okay, we figured the oil at close, so we're just gonna get this one. Then. We're gonna hold it.
Okay, let's go.
We're done here at Cheese Apples. And now we're going to Asian store to get rice. Yep. Oh, I look fashion. My mommy's getting money because we don't have that much money for the Asian store. So we're gonna get some money. Let's go. Here we are. What? This is a machine?
Yeah, this is where we get
Cash?
cash. Because the Asian
Does
store.
anyone do this?
Yeah. Because the Asian store don't take card, just cash. So we have to get money.
Oh, wow, let's see. Wow. Do I get it out?
Yeah. How many?
0 was 2.
5.
5.
Okay, let's go.
Looks so shiny.
Para siyang...
I gotta pay 2 of the money.
Yeah, okay, let's go.
Almost there, guys. Oh, look, we're here now.
Sign in.
Gonna get the good one. Mommy will get that was the fish, guys. Mommy needs to use that one to carry the rice.
Okay, and just like that? Oh, okay. All right.
Thank you.
Ready? Ready, Baba? Wait for mommy, huh? I'll come back. Baba, wait for mommy.
Rice is life.
Yes, rice is life. Clear? Okay, go. Here, Baba.
I think I can't carry this. Okay, we're here now, guys. Now mommy's gonna carry the rice into the car, at the back of the car. Now, guys. Oh, this is gonna be heavy, guys. There's mommy. Breaks her heart, moves is eating on my husband. Then you come up and now you're looking at me. Was it heavy, Mom?
Yeah, it was.
Now Mommy's gonna return this to the lady now, guys. Let's go.
You alright?
Yeah.
Okay. Siyang may gusto eh. Good girl, Baba.
Thank you.
Thank you. See ya.
Alright. Finally, guys. We're going home now. Ooh, that was a lot of hard work. Let's put my seatbelt on. Let's put my other one on. There we go. Put my arms. Okay, we're good to go. Safety guys. Guys, we're here at home now. Mummy and I are gonna do a little haul with this stuff because we got a lot of stuff today. So, yeah.
Okay, unahin natin yung sa Kmart. Oh, umubos siya. Eto sa Kmart.
I
eto.
want to show the peoples.
No, which one is eto pala? Eto pala yung sa Kmart. Sa cheap as chips yun. So, bumili tayo ng
That's my one. That's mine.
kay Holly to kasi gusto niya scary.
I'm just gonna show you that.
Kaso, wala namang scary
Ayun,
na
guys.
ano, na costume. And, eto sabi ni Holly, kunin ko daw to. You like this for mommy, right?
Yeah.
Ayun guys.
I picked it for her.
Yeah. Siya ang nagpili niyan. And
Let's
eto
clean
kay
that, let's
Sak.
clean that. I want to show
Sak,
you.
come here, Sak.
Sak, come here.
Oy, Ay, naka-uniform pa siya. Ayan. You like this? Holly, choose this.
It's scary.
You like this? What? What do you think?
I don't know.
Oh, you have to wear this because Holly chose this for you.
Holly.
You want this?
Like a skeleton or something.
And for Kuya TJ, where's Kuya TJ?
Oh, is that?
Where's
that
Kuya?
Grandma?
Where's Kuya
Is that
TJ?
Pennywise?
No, where's TJ? It's not here.
No.
Oh,
Is that Callum?
si Kuya nasa friend niya. Ito kay Kuya TJ. Hindi ko alam kung anong character niya, guys. Para siyang clown na
Is that the-
I
nakakatakot.
have my hat.
No.
No, this is TJ.
What's his costume?
Nothing, because Kuya don't want costume.
So
So,
we just picked them up.
Yeah, because Holly said just...
I can wear that next
What
year.
you said? Just in case?
Just-
Which one? This one?
Yeah.
No, you have to wear it on Sunday.
Look ugly.
Well, you don't have to be pretty or handsome during Halloween. Look ugly daw siya dito. Na,
Holly, why
and
do you choose like a skeleton?
this is... Buti na lang nahanap niya kasi naghahanap talaga kami. Siya. So, inisa-isa niya. Sabi niya, there's no scary dress, mommy.
So I just got that.
Yeah.
Is that scary?
You're lucky
yeah,
because...
lucky I got that scary
Yeah.
one.
Kasi yung iba, mga ano siya, parang hindi siya nakakatakot. Eto, siguro make-upan ko na lang siya. Tapos, yun nga, nasaan yung ano? This one. Eto. And, meron tong ano ata. Meron din at meron siyang headband.
Is it size 4
Pero,
to 5?
instead na headband, eto yung gagamitin niya. Kuya Sak, Lola Holly.
I will win.
Kuya! Naglalaro siya kasi Friday.
Is that Holly's hat?
Yeah. You like it? You like it, Mama?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, yan. Yung sa kanya. And,
It's so big.
bumili kami ng, nakita niyo na to, bumili kami ng hat dahil malapit ng summer.
Okay, don't wear it off because my bow is on.
Oo, yan ang sinasabi mo kanina din. Okay, let's
Let's take it off.
take that off. How about that one?
Oh,
Mom, are you going trick-or-treating?
Yeah, we
You
all...
going trick-or-treating with Lolly? You're going to get Lolly.
Yeah, I got lollies. Oh, you like that?
yeah.
So, gusto yan ni... gusto ko
And
yan
we got
kasi may,
another one.
may support siya sa likod. Si Holly, gusto niya naman to. Mura lang naman siya. $6. Ito, $8.
Mine costs 15.
Okay. How about that one? For your kindi.
Yeah.
Kasi meron
This is
siya,
for
luma
solo
na.
for beach.
Okay. And, bumili kami nito. Ito yung blood
I'll
tube.
show because
Mom, can I look?
That one
It's
and...
for me because I got a vampire.
At hindi namin ito napakita sa inyo. Sa Kmart to, 75.
Mom.
Mura lang siya, 75 cents.
Mom, I'm going to be trick-or-treating with Todd.
Alright. And ito naman ay sa... Saan namin ito nabili? Chipas? Chips! Bumili kami ng lampara. Where's the... Ganito ang itsura niya, guys. Oh. Kasi gusto niya mag-decorate. Isang black. Wait, baba. Black and white. It's alright.
Look, we're going to
Lagi
use it for
pinapakita kay
outside.
Kuya Sar.
Look where that.
Tapos ito,
We're going
oh.
to use it for outside.
Eyeballs.
And there's
Ayan.
eyeballs.
Nakitan lang ako dito. Binili
The
ko na lang.
nice ghost. I want to touch it because I'm not scary of that ghost.
Ayan, ghost. Ano siya? Magkano ba to? $12? $8? Basta yan, bumili ako ng dalawa.
He's the spider
That's
for
a,
the table.
that's right.
Look at that,
Ayan.
look. We got a
So
spider
yan,
for the
kasi si
table.
Holly gusto niya mag-decorate dito, oh. And, what's this, Baba?
We got some spider
Share
webs.
to them!
Oh yeah, we got some spider webs. That's where with
Ayan,
spiders.
bumili tayo ng
We got a lot of spiders.
4. Yung isa, iba naman. Ayan yung itsura niya. Yung isa, yung tatlo ganito. And, eto, popcorn na caramel.
Oh, can I get them out?
And, popcorn na rainbow.
Oopsie.
Ayan yung
And we
lolly.
got the lollies. Color. Oh, we got
And, eto yung sour straw.
one.
God, I hate
Okay.
little ones.
And, ano pa ba?
Why?
Bumili kami ng bigas tsaka mga lollies.
What else we got?
Huwag ko na, ipakita ko na lang sa inyo, quick. Ito yung bigas. Hindi ito yung bigas na kinukuha ko, kaso ubos na raw. Pero sabi niya, masarap daw to. At saka, ito yung pinakamahal nilang rice doon. So, yan ang kinuha natin kasi sabi niya, masarap yan. At yan daw yung ginagamit, niluluto niya. And eto, kumuha lang ako ng konti. Kasi meron pa naman, hindi ko pa naman dyan mag-grocery. Kasi naubusan na tayo ng mushrooms. And bumili ako ng hot dogs. And yan, some fruits. And fruits from She's Apples. Nakita nyo yan. And, eto, hindi nyo ito nakita sa Coles. So, bumili ako ng noodles. Hala, katapon-tapon na sila. So, bumili ako ng noodles. Kasi gustong-gusto ko tong noodles na to. Itong ramen. Yan, and yan, yung mga chocolates. Makikita nyo yan sa Sunday. Kasi Halloween sa Sunday. So, ito yung ating ipamimigay sa mga bata. So, yan. Ito pala, kinuha to ni Holly. Ito yung plate for Halloween. Okay, let's close the vlog. Guys, close na ang vlog. Siguro i-edit ko to tonight or today. Magluluto lang ako ng dinner. And, i-edit ko to. Tapos, baka ito yung vlog natin mamaya or bukas. So, yun na guys yung ating vlog for today. Ito yung pinaka-updated na vlog na mangyayari sa aking channel. And don't forget to subscribe to Allthingsholly. Okay guys, thank you.
Thank you guys.
Please
like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on next vlog. Bye.
Do you like vlogging, Baba?
Yes.
Gusto niya talaga mag-vlog. Siya nag-take over ng vlog ni Mami today. Okay, good night. Okay, bye guys. Magluto na ako ng dinner. Ang dinner namin ay calamari. Okay, dito na si Daddy. Magluto na tayo.
Is this real? Will you still be here? I want to be selfish with you. I only want to see the truth. I want to eliminate the unnecessary. My vision's never been so clear. You've arrested my 'Cause baby,